Hi, I'm Sylvie Dakini and I want to share with you how dancing has helped me develop as a woman and how it can help you. I have been dancing since I was a child and I always have been eager to discover how can I make dance more meaningful. As a woman, dancing has always been a strong instrument on the path of self-discovery and constant enriching of my soul with more and more qualities. I always felt dancing has the power to bring to surface the most intense emotions I couldn't become aware of. And I saw this also in the people that watched me dance. Over the years, I discovered I can create for dance a fascinating universe full of life, full of emotions, full of meaning. What helped me very much was the action of giving up on certain fears and prejudices. There was a moment when I chose to express myself as I am, with all that I am. When I stopped denying my sensuality, I succeeded in transforming it, which created a trampoline effect towards unthinkable spiritual heights. Together with my development as a woman, dancing started to express deeper aspects of my heart. I started feeling more and more the spiritual dimension of dancing. In time, dancing became for me an instrument through which I could express my initiating feminine power. So, if you want to rediscover your own initiating feminine power, I would love to share with you.